Hello friends, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today in this video we'll be making banana flour vada without using any oil. See, this will be very crispy and tasty, and we have made this vada without using any oil in an air fryer. For making this banana flour vada, I am taking half a cup of chana dal and half a cup of tur dal. First let us wash these two dals and soak in water. With this I add 4 red chilies. Let us cut this and add so that it will soak easily. And 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds plus half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Soak for half an hour, and after half an hour let us first grind these red chilies and the fennel seeds and cumin seeds with some dal at first, and after grinding that let us add the rest of the dal and required salt to it and grind well without adding any water. Now the vada batter is ready. I am going to add raw banana flour. After removing the unwanted pistil, let us chop it and add to this batter. Mix well and make vadas. Take small ball size vada batter and make it flat like this. And now let us preheat the air fryer and place all the vadas in the air fryer tray like this. Close it and set the air fryer in 395 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and start. In between, after 7 minutes, we shall change the sides of the vadas using a wooden ladle like this. I have changed all the vadas and fry for next 8 minutes. And now our raw banana flour vada is ready to serve. See, it's very crispy and tasty. If you like this video, click the like button, share with your friends, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have also shared the other recipe links in the description. Thank you.